This is GCSE Further Maths Pure. We are on Unit 4 Trigonometry and we're just doing some of the more complex trig equations. So we have this one here. So again, as with our example 2 examples ago, we're just going to get rid of this horrible bracket bit and we're going to let y equal a half x minus 30. Now we're going to have to rearrange then the 0 to 720 here in terms of what we're looking for. But we'll explain about that in a wee second. So therefore, cos of y is 0.8. We're going to find our basic angle, which is going to be y is cos minus 1, 0.8. So y then is 36.87 degrees. We are now going to substitute in, we're going to exchange our x here for a y. So how do we change then from x to y in terms of our range that we're looking for? Y then is going to have to be in between a half of 0, take away 30, and here it's going to be a half of 720. Take away 30. Now I need you to see what I've done here. Sorry, half of 720, take away 30, and it looks like that. So what have I done? I've substituted in my x values in instead of x there to get my new y values. Half of 0 is 0, so minus 30. So it's going to be minus 30 less than or equal to y. Half of 720 is of course 360. Take away 30, then it's going to be 330. So that's where we need to do then our wee range from. So our cast diagram becomes a wee bit different here, and we just need to be very careful. It's a tough question. So we equals 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, and we are looking for where is cos positive. So cos is positive here and here. So I'm going to do my angle like that, and then like a reflection there would be that there. It's not a great angle there, but those are supposed to be the same. That angle there is 36.87, and then down here it's going to be 36.87. However, we have a cutoff here at minus 30 and 330, because that's where we need to do our wee measurements from. So minus 30 degrees and 330 degrees. So cos is positive in this quadrant and this quadrant, obviously, we've kind of got that. And so work out our y values. So our y values then are, of course, 36.87 and 360. Take away 36.87. Where have I got that from? I've read it off there, then going all the way around then to there. So y is 36.87 and 323.13 degrees. That means a half x minus 30 is 36.87. That means a half x is 66.87, and that means x is 134 degrees. And for my other one, it would be, just about fit this in here, half x minus 30 is 323. Adding 30 to both sides would give me 353.13, and times it by 2 then is 706 degrees. And those are my answers, and the 3 significant figures.